Something said, let me introduce to you the very world you're living. I said, yeah, sure, I wanna know, I'm quite, I am, I'm really interested. Well, most say so till they have to lend an ear to themselves, to catch a glimpse of themselves, taste the chunk of themselves. Some never did before, take for granted the existence of the self, of this you, of something real, of something still,